I'm Libby Bish, and I had an amazing opportunity to represent the buyers in this transaction. This is a very special deal for me because it was a multifaceted transaction. From the staging company to the builder to the listing agents, we all grew up together here in McLean, Virginia. Just pulling into the driveway, you can see that this is a one-of-a-kind home. Although this house is 10,000 square feet, it doesn't seem overwhelming at all, and it has a very intimate and warm feel to it. So the one thing that grabs my attention is the spiral staircase. That staircase was built in 2 parts and shipped in and custom made just for this house. Another thing that I love about downstairs is the wine cellar has its own cooling system, and it's as big as someone's bedroom could be. So another thing is just the architecture in this home is one of a kind. In the kitchen you can see upstairs. It allows for this home to have open space without feeling overwhelming.
Hi, my name is Sammy. I'm with Boxwood Home Staging, and we staged this beautiful home. This was a really fun home to stage. We love staging new construction because who doesn't like brand new? When we stage a home, we're really trying to enhance the home rather than distract away from the features of this home. One of the most important things with that is the color scheme. The color scheme of the house already has its own personality. So we use a neutral color palette to really tie in everything together and appeal to the most amount of buyers.
So one of the very first things that grabs your attention when you come out here is the 2 acres that the property sits on. It's shaded by these magnificent 80 to 100 foot tall trees. In the summertime, it really gives you a sense of privacy in comparison with all the homes that are nearby. One thing that I really pay attention to is the lighting in every home. If you notice, this home has floor to ceiling windows that really allow a lot of light to come in. From the exterior to the interior, this is easily one of the most elegant homes that I've personally ever stepped in, and we were really excited that we were able to help the buyers with the transaction of this home.